Have you seen this advertised in AliExpress or Temu? Allow me to unbox this, as you may have an idea purchasing this product. So this is M8 Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. By the way, I purchased this product on a discounted price in Temu online shopping app. Aside of the price, I purchased this because of a cute robotic design. So let's unbox this. Inside the box is this plastic with manual, the charging cable, and some accessories. So this is the normal micro USB cable. Next is this nozzle that's great for cleaning narrow spaces, and a brush for cleaning the vacuum bin. So now, this is M8 Mini Vacuum Cleaner that has 3.7 volts operating voltage and support 5 volts and 1 ampere charging voltage, enough to work up to 40 minutes, with a battery capacity of 500 milliampere hours. This black color is just a design, and at the back of it is the charging port. On the top is the switch button, which great in a position so you can turn off easily. So this is the front view, which is cute. If you turn it on, the eyes will light up. I thought this will automatically clean around your desktop alone, but I was wrong. You need to do it manually. By the way, keep this away from babies as it looks like a toy. So this is how to open. This lid serves as a bin. And this one serves as air ventilation as the fan rotates. At the same time, serves as a stopper so all the debris will not come out. So don't forget to return this after cleaning. This is the proper way to assemble this removable accessories. If you notice that V shape, that should be inserted positioning the line inside this device so that it will not move around. Then next this bin, which you will notice also an arrow sign, then press and rotate till it is lock. See how cute it is as the eyes light up. Let's have a try. Imagine you're eating chips while watching and accidentally smash around the table, so I guess this is the easiest way to clean it. So you need to do it manually, and it works, though it is not as powerful as it is nor a fast vacuum cleaner, but still managed to remove those dirts. Just a reminder that only small size of particles or dirt can vacuum this device. As you can see, the dirt go around in this area. So you have two options to clean, either by using the brush or by washing by water, but wash only those parts that can be removed. But do not wash the body of this device. This is not splash-proof nor waterproof. Then I try this small piece of paper and it works as well. So don't insert your finger on that hole to avoid accidents. So nozzle can be used for narrow spaces or by cleaning your laptop. For me, full charge is better as it vacuums great pressure. It works, but I guess this is better if they added brush on the tip of the vacuum tube. So cleaning will be more efficient and effective. Then since the screws are recognizable, so I tried to open it. As you can see, this device is really fragile. So using this is not as the same as you're taking the normal usage of a vacuum cleaner, as this is not for heavy duty. Well, as I said earlier, I purchased this in a discounted price. And sometimes quality matters if the price is right. So it's up to you guys how you will take care of this device. Well, as far as I'm concerned, you can fix it easily by yourself. Wirings are not that difficult to understand, and even the parts can easily be changed. Well, that's the good thing with it. But if the case is broken, so better, buy a new one. Well, it has only 135 grams in weight, so it is not heavy at all, so you can manage to hold it for a longer time. So when charging time, the red eyes light up, and when the battery is full, the light will turn off. And now I'm going to check how much the battery capacity has. As the manual stated, it has 500 milliamp hour battery capacity. So if my tester is wrong, you may comment down below. And now the battery is full, the light automatically off. And it takes 40 minutes continuous usage in my test. So it's not bad at all. And it takes 15 minutes charging time. My tester reading was 538 milliamp hour battery capacity. More than the battery capacity it was stated in the manual. Isn't it great? Please comment below and correct me if I am wrong. And so that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well. Thanks for watching.